I love paper planes. They're creativity, science, and art all rolled into one. Anyone can be a paper plane engineer, but with some basic physics about how they fly under your belt, you can really take your paper planes to the next level. The possibilities are endless. When you throw a paper plane, there are four main forces that affect its flight. Firstly, the initial throw makes the plane move forward. This is a thrust force. The plane is then pulled towards the ground by gravity, the weight force. This is counteracted by the wings, which deflect air downwards and push the plane up. A lift force. The air also pushes back on the plane and slows it down. We call this drag. As the plane falls to the ground, it picks up speed. This increases the lift, making the plane fly up again. The plane is constantly trading between these four forces. Different designs can make a plane travel further, glide more, or do cool acrobatic tricks in the air. A dart minimises drag, making the most of the speed from the initial throw, while a glider maximises lift with bigger wings. This slows the plane down, but it keeps it gliding longer. You can make a plane do different things with small changes to the design. Upward elevators are made by doing little upward folds at the back of the wings. This gives the plane extra lift as it flies forward. On the other hand, bending one up and one down will make the plane spin and turn. The angle the wings make will also change how the plane flies. An upward bend like this is called a positive dihedral angle, and this allows the plane to correct itself as it wobbles in the air. A downward bend is called a negative dihedral angle, and it has the opposite effect. Instead of being stabilized, wobbles are increased, allowing the plane to flip upside down and do all sorts of tricks. Do you have a winning paper plane design? Know any other tips or tricks? Let me know down in the comments. Happy flying!